This is a Halloween message from MiMo Mike Mozart. The rat. He's roaming our streets. The rat. He's knocking down children and stealing their treats. The rat. I'm sending this Halloween message to let everyone know my voice appeared in hundreds of animated Halloween toys for decades. All the open market stuff that you got from China that said, Happy Halloween, or a door knocker would say, trick or treat, or go away. That was me. You could not have avoided hearing my voice. I did thousands and thousands of Halloween products. When the step on the doormat, the door knockers, everything else. I'm trying to make a compilation of them, but it's so funny. I thought I would send out the message, beware of the voice of Mike Mozart on a doormat or a Halloween candy bowl or a door knocker. I mean, really.